Hello and welcome back to our channel. I am Taha. And you are watching Daily Forex News YouTube channel. Hopefully you all will be fine. Let's start today. Gold glitters again, doubts bite Fed bets, but Middle East tensions keep it glowing. After dipping its toes in despair earlier this week, the shiny stuff just pulled a Lazarus and resurrected itself around $2,040. Let's unpack this glittery drama. Fed frenzy fades. Investors were initially salivating at the possibility of the Fed slashing interest rates, which tends to make gold shine brighter. But then, reality check. Robust economic data splashed cold water on those hopes, reminding everyone that the rate cut party might be on hold. This sent gold prices tumbling initially. Middle East meltdown, but wait, there's more. Tensions in the Middle East started simmering again, adding fuel to gold's fire. Geopolitical uncertainties tend to make investors nervous, pushing them towards safe havens like, you guessed it, gold. So, despite the Fed funk, gold clawed its way back towards $2,040 by the end of the week. Where's the gold going? The big question is, will gold keep its gleam or succumb to the Fed's tightening grip? Here's the lowdown. Fed focus. If the economic data keeps beating expectations, the Fed might hold off on rate cuts, putting downward pressure on gold. Geopolitical gloom. On the other hand, if tensions in the Middle East escalate, that could keep gold prices afloat, even if the Fed stays hawkish. Technical turmoil. Don't forget the technicals. The $2,000 zone is a key battleground for gold. If it breaks above and stays there, it could signal a sustained rally. But if it dips below, brace yourself for a bumpy ride. Stay tuned for the golden update. This gold saga is far from over. Subscribe to Daily Forex News for expert analysis, market insights, and all the tools you need to navigate the ever-shimmering world of precious metals. Be a savvy gold investor.